Hello guys, this is Channel Yang and the model of the phone is iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's check the problem firstly. And we found that the problem is that it cannot recognize the face and remind us that the Face ID is not available. So we can repair it now. Open the screen, we can tell that the problem is because of water. So we can see that the sign of waterproof has become red. And let's start our repair. Dismantle the screen. Take out the composition of Face ID. Test whether the lattice is blown. So before we repair the lattice, do not forget to put the dust tape on the lens. To ensure the integrity of the repair, we're not going to cut the shield. But we can pull it straight, and after the repairing, we can bend it back. Remove the chip and mouse. Clean up the pad. Check the details. Install it well, and we can install the chip now. Before we test it, we need to make an external test first. Turn on the front camera. Only the 4 parts of the lattice shine, then we can restore it and test the whole phone. Okay, restore the phone and put the shield back. Okay, let's test the phone now. So we can see the phone can recognize our face, and the problem has been solved. Thank you for your watching.